Okay, so I got the install done. It's got the little remote. If you press the lock button, it locks. Press the unlock button, it unlocks. And same thing on the outside, you see that when you press the lock button, a little red light comes on, and the green light comes on, so you know that it's doing it. So if I close the door, and then the deadbolt came out, and if I press unlock, so it's all hooked up and working. I did have a couple little issues when I took the bolts that hold everything together here. I needed longer because my door's thicker than a household door. The bolt threaded in a 6x1, 6mm by 1.0. It fit in the nut, but it was a little bit loose, but I didn't think anything about it. Bought the 6x1s and brought them home, and they were too fat. So it's really like a 5.5 by 1. So I just went and bought a tap, 6x1, 6mm by 1, and then tapped out the holes in the chamber here for the lock where it holds it together. It was real easy to do. It just took 5 minutes. Cut new threads and then use the 6x1 bolts that I had bought. Works great, and then you can use a key and or the remote. Very happy with it.